Reproductive health, the focus today at the Supreme Court. Justices are hearing arguments on whether it's legal to allow the abortion pill Mifepristone to be sent by mail without a doctor's visit. This is the first major abortion case to get to the Supreme Court since Roe v. Wade was overturned 2 years ago now. Joining me now is ABC News Supreme Court contributor and professor at the University of Pennsylvania Law School, Kate Shaw. Kate, it's good to see you. I know that a lot of eyes were on the court today. Of course, you can't see, you can only listen, and I know you did. What did you make of the arguments today? You know, when you listen to the judges' questionings, the justices' questionings, you can figure out which way they're going. What did you hear today?
You're right, Phil. This was a widely watched, observed, listened to, in this case, argument. The first real encounter with abortion and the law since the court overruled Roe versus Wade in June of 2022. And I think that the tenor in the room actually was more skeptical about the challengers' case than I think a lot of people anticipated going in. So the challengers here are a group of anti-abortion physicians who are challenging the FDA's regulation of the abortion drug Mifepristone. Originally, the challengers were actually asking the federal courts to declare that Mifepristone should never have been an approved drug, making an argument that all the way back in the year 2000, when the agency approved the drug, that was basically done wrong and the drug should be the approval should be revoked and the drug removed from the market. And actually, they were successful in the district court, but that argument didn't prevail in the Court of Appeals. And so in front of the Supreme Court here were just arguments about the conditions in which Mifepristone can be prescribed by mail and things like that. And I think here the justices were skeptical that these doctors had the ability to be in court in the first place.
Right, a question of standing. Were they the right ones to bring this before the Supreme Court to begin with? But putting that aside, what kind of precedent could this set? Because this will have wide-ranging effects, not just on Mifepristone, right?
That's right. So what the federal government and the drug manufacturer in this case are arguing is that if the federal courts basically second-guess the FDA and its approval of Mifepristone, essentially that would open a Pandora's box to second-guessing any drug and its approval process. And the pharmaceutical industry is very, very concerned about that second-guessing. And so they are urging the court to reject this challenge, both as to Mifepristone and more broadly as to the FDA.
Well, all eyes on the court, a decision, June it looks like. All right.
Probably end of June.
End of June. All right. Kate Shaw, thanks so much. Appreciate it, as always.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.